Since Roboduino V2 does not have a program when it leaves the factory, users need to upload the program ourselves. Due to Wi-Fi camera module car uses the serial port interface, we need to remove Wi-Fi camera wiring on expansion board before uploading the program. Then, we need use Type B data cable to connect the Arduino UNO and computer. Open the device manager on computer. Check the port options with the CH340 character. My computer detects that port number of the Arduino UNO is COM3. If the system does not detect the corresponding serial port device, or the icon of the serial device has an exclamation mark, we can manually install the CH340 serial port driver according to the tutorial. After the system correctly identifies the Arduino UNO board, we can download control program, check, software resources, car code, we can got control program. Need to choose current development board and serial port number. Development board choose Arduino UNO. Serial port number is COM3. If you connect for the first time, this interface will appear. Input Arduino UNO here. Select the serial port number detected by the system. Click OK. Click Compile to check if there are any problems with the code. If there are no errors or warnings, we can upload the code. After the program is uploaded successfully, we can disconnect the UNO board from computer. Connect wiring of Wi-Fi camera to expansion board. Open power switch of the car. RGB light on expansion board indicates different remote control function modes. RGB light shows white, indicating Wi-Fi remote control mode. RGB light shows red, indicating infrared remote control mode. Press the K1 button on the expansion board to switch modes. Switching modes is about 5 seconds before the program starts. Once the RGB turns off, it means the mode switching is over. Last selected remote control mode is retained. Press the reset button on UNO board to switch the remote control mode again.